Angkatan bersenjata Federasi Rusia melancarkan serangan ke Pelabuhan Odessa padahal Moskow dan Kiev baru saja membuat perjanjian kesepakatan impor gandum dari pelabuhan itu. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov, tanggal 24 Juli merilis serangan yang diluncurkan oleh rudal berbasis laut jarak jauh presisi tinggi mengakibatkan eliminasi kapal militer Ukraina dan depot rudal anti kapal Harpun yang dikirim oleh Amerika Serikat ke rezim Kiev disimpan di Pelabuhan Odessa. Daftar target yang dinetralkan mencakup fasilitas produksi entitas yang berspesialisasi dalam memperbaiki dan memodernisasi armada Angkatan Laut Ukraina, kata Igor Konashenkov seperti dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Sebelumnya, Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelenskiy mengecam keras Rusia menyebut rezim Vladimir Putin sebagai pemimpin tak bisa dipegang komitmen karena menyerang Pelabuhan Odessa padahal baru saja menekan perjanjian.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continues a special military operation in Ukraine. Attack launched by high-precision, long-range sea and air-based armament has resulted in the neutralization of aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force deployed at Kanatovo military airfield in Kirovograd region. Attack launched by high-precision, long-range sea-based missiles has resulted in the elimination of Ukrainian military ship and a depot of Harpoon anti-ship missiles delivered by USA to the Kiev regime in the seaport of Odessa. The list of neutralized targets also includes the production facilities of an entity specialized in repairing and modernizing the fleet of the Ukrainian Navy. Over 70% of personnel have been eliminated after launching attacks at the positions of the 108th and 109th battalions from the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, deployed near Verkhnekamenskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. High-precision attacks have been launched by Russian aerospace forces at armament and munitions depots of the 28th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces and the 123rd Territorial Defense Brigade, deployed at locomotive repair plant in Nikolaev. Over 50 servicemen, more than 3,000 artillery projectiles of various calibers, and 10 armored vehicles have been destroyed. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery continue launching attacks at the military facilities in Ukraine. The list of neutralized targets includes 9 command posts, including the joint command post of the Kakhovka group of troops deployed in Zhovtnivoye in Nikolaev region, 2 command posts of the 54th and 65th Mechanized Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Kurakhova in Donetsk People's Republic and Novodanilovka in Zaporozhye region. In addition, 7 munitions and fuel depots have been destroyed near Reznikovka, Ostroye in Donetsk People's Republic, Galitsynova in Nikolaev region, and Nikolaev. Attacks launched by Russian aviation have resulted in the elimination of 2 Ukrainian units manned at the level of a company, 2 US-manufactured M777 howitzers near Artomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 1 Bukovel electronic warfare system near Nikolaev. Within the counter-battery warfare, 3 Grad MLRS platoons have been neutralized near Grugurovka, Verkhnekamenskoye and Seversk, 2 Msta-S self-propelled artillery system platoons, 8 Msta-B artillery gun platoons, 18 D-20 artillery howitzer platoons, as well as 9 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery platoons have been neutralized at their firing positions near Paraskovyevka, Opytnoye, Veseloye, Razdolovka, Bakhmutskoye, Vodenoye, Serebranka and Kamyshevacha in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Koropki, Petihatka in Kherson region, Topolskoye in Kharkov region, Sherbaki in Zaporozhye region, and Donetsk. In addition, 10 projectiles launched by Uragan and HIMARS multiple rocket launchers have been intercepted near Novonikolaevka in Zaporozhye region and Alexeyevka in Kherson region. In total, 260 airplanes and 144 helicopters, 1,605 unmanned aerial vehicles, 357 air defense missile systems, 4,156 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 763 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,196 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 4,457 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.